Assalamu alaikum kids. Today we learn the first letter of alphabet. Do you know the first letter of alphabet? Yes, the first letter of alphabet is A. This is uppercase A and this one is lowercase a. Now the letter A is sound like this. A, A, A. Can you say with me? A, A, A. Good job. Let's practice writing the letter A. We will start writing the capital letter of A. When we write the letter A, we make the three line. We go down and across. And there you have an uppercase letter A. Now let's do lowercase letter A. The lowercase letter A we make two line. First, make a curvy C, go up and come down. Very good. Now we gonna play a game. Let's start. So, let's find the object that are start with the letter A. A aeroplane. A aeroplane. A apple. A apple. A alligator. A alligator. A aquarium. A aquarium. A ambulance. A ambulance. A aunt. A aunt. A apricot. A apricot. A astronaut. A astronaut. So kids, you look around and see how many words start with the letter of A. Thank you.